Hello, boys and girls. This is Old Man Yells at Cloud for Blue Powder Monkeys Patreon. Working on a little bit of Blender stuff, as the title says. I did this yesterday and had some streaming shenanigans. Although I think it turned out okay. I went back and checked the video and it looked like it streamed for like an hour. I tried earlier in the day and it had gone all wacky. Let's see if we're going on here. I discovered that some of the internet stuff that I'd been running into was something very simple involving which network card it was hooked up into. But first, of course, I spent the entire day moving my system around to try to get the antennas on the wireless doodad to work better. And then just discovered that it wasn't even like hooked up to that card, so that was some of it. So that's called user error. I'm listening to the Sorcerer soundtrack, and I think the Alien soundtrack by J. Goldsmith is on after this. So this is the old file that I'm redoing, basically. And there's nothing inherently wrong with this file. I mean, you know, there's, I'm sure, shitloads of things wrong with this file, but there's no reason this file doesn't work. I've exported quite a few kind of stills, experimental stills and stuff out of it, and it's been just fine. But I'm using the opportunity to clean it up a little bit, organize things a little better, and kind of redo some of the set. Oh, I'm used to having my Wacom tablet pen here, but I actually don't use my tablet for Blender. I use a mouse. I'm not sure how well it would be to use a tablet for Blender. I'm sure people do it. Anyway, so this is the current file. Oh, excuse me. Starting right off, whenever I start talking, I start yawning. I'm taking the opportunity to do just a few things here and there, like this board. You know, just adds like a little touch of stuff. No. What the fuck this is? Some kind of duplicate wig. Actually, I should probably find this somewhere first. There's no way I'm going to find this. I don't know how to look up things by name until I figure out what their name is. Unless it's just to get, no. It's hair. It's hair material. Let's see. Let's go there. Caps. It is caps. Short hair card. I'm not sure what that's all about. I did another one down here. Oh, okay. It got duplicated. So I think I can do this. Actually, that disappeared. That one's still there. Okay. That's what I want. And this stuff doesn't have to be like perfect if I was doing an export where I was going to just use it as a Blender export. This is all some weird view things going on here. There we go. Yeah, I did something to turn it into some kind of sort of orthodontist, orthopedic view. That's probably my least favorite thing about Blender is you gotta know like everything, because you go down go down, you make a mistake, you click on the wrong thing, or you close a file and reopen it and this is going on, and you have no idea how to get out of it. User orthographic. So can I do this? There we go, user perspective. I just had to hit buttons for a while. Hit number buttons. Alright, so yesterday I was having some issues with my posters, flipping everything 180, because that's what posters do. So let's go check on that. Yeah. I wonder if it just didn't save. Oh, I'm listening to the soundtrack of the movie that I'm doing the poster for. Crazy. Yeah, here's the 180 thing, and then I do this. Oh, it's back to that, but can't really tell with that one. It looks like two images kind of over the top of each other. That one's still the same. That one's still the same. Okay, so for now, maybe only one of them flipped. I don't know. All right, so I've been doing some cut and pasting, but I think it's time. I either have to start working on books or DVDs at this point, or all these pill bottles. Got to build the bed in the middle too, and that'll make me move everything around. I think I'll show you how to do. I'll show you how to do an array. Oops. There we go. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is. Okay. Now I'm going to design. She's probably a trade paperback lady. It's a different size. Oops. And oh, hold on. Let's do this. Shelf wall. Is that what this is called? Yep. Okay. So. Oh, it actually added it to that time. That's funny. Hasn't been doing that before. All right, so X is thickness. Z is height. Y is width. 5.5. And X is thickness. We should go like an inch. I'll go like 7/8, which is. No, I'm not gonna go 7/8. Let's go an inch. There we go. Yeah, that worked out pretty well. All right, so now what we do is we start messing around with the array function. Modifier, array. We have immediately created 3 books. So let's offset by 1 point. Oops. Well, let me do this a different way. Let's bevel this thing first. Is there a modifier for that? Yep. That is not great. Nope, that's not great either. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, let's go to edit mode. That's not exactly what I want. Yeah, just a little bit there. Oh, that's this would probably be a little better to do with hardbacks to take this time, but that doesn't work. That doesn't work either. Yep. I'll probably be okay just doing that for now. You just want a little bit to. Oh, fuck. Okay. Yeah, now we can see a little break between them, so that's good. Okay. Nope. Randomize. Okay, offset. Nope. Nope. Let's open up the right one. There we go. Oh, I see. It keeps closing it. Nice. All right, that's not horrible. Let's go to there. And despite doing all of this work, what I really need to do first, because I want to have like 1 or 2 of them flopped over, So, well, actually, we do this. We'll just get rid of that. Okay. So let's go dupe grab x, dupe grab x, and that was Alt D, by the way, which supposedly is the one that makes instances and not. Is that right? It is Alt T. Okay. Okay, so. And we can go here. Okay, I guess I don't have to do that. Now we will try the array. Let's do 8. Let's randomize. Scale them a little bit. Right in there. Make sure they're not perfectly fucking stacked up. Against that. I'll grab this one. Let's do this before I forget. Oh, that didn't work very well. Never mind. Let's just not worry about that right now.